And this is what I have done with my picture. Like I said, I did soften her face a little bit, and how I did the lines here is I added a picture. The picture actually is this one right here, and I put it in there and I turned it around and I made it black and white, and I added a hard light blending mode to it, and then just kind of masked out the area around her face. So it wasn't anything too terribly tough, just a little bit of time, and I had this effect done. Now for your text tool. First, select the type tool, and if you look, you've got 4 options here. I will talk about the first 2, and if we've got time, I might go over the last 2. The first one is a regular old text tool, and if I type, then it will go horizontally. The second one is a vertical type tool, and you notice how the cursor turns sideways, and when I type now, it will be vertical. So if I wanted to do something from the side like this, that could be really cool, and I wouldn't be opposed to that. But for today, I'm just going to do the sideways or the horizontal one. And to change the text, you have to have the text tool open. So I will type, changing to my horizontal text so I don't accidentally add something new. And I will finish my line of thought here. The next thing that you're going to want to do is go to the character palette. In order to get to the character palette, because you might not have it open, you might have to go to Window and make sure that character is checked. And it looks like the A with a line next to it. When I click on it, since it's nested over here, it pops out. And this is the font that I currently have selected. If I want to change the font, I will need to have this selected. So Command A to select all of my text, and then I should be able to change my text. So I just have to choose what kind of effect that I want. You can see the sample on the side. I think I want to go for something kind of bold since my area over there is a little bit busy in the background. Another way that you can change the font as long as you're done editing the text is you can just switch to the Move tool, and then whenever you change anything, it will change the whole thing without having to be highlighted.